Hi, I'm Brian, and that is the Salmon River. Many people are concerned about how do we use the restroom while we're on the river. Well, I'd like to introduce you to the Groover. Mackie has designed an impeccable system to allow you to enjoy every moment of your experience out here in the wilderness, including your go. Now, the way the system works on the river is that the Groover is set up far away from camp, so you have utmost privacy, surrounded by spectacular vistas, where at any moment in time you may get lost, eyes on the crisis, thank you, lost in the experience of the river. Now, the way the system works is, oh my gosh, there's a deer. There's a deer coming into the Groover. Look at the deer, look at the deer, seriously, look at the deer.
Where?
Right there, it's staring at us.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. You take the life jacket from camp. Now, this life jacket is designated as the Groover life jacket, which means you carry this with you to the Groover. When this life jacket leaves camp, everyone in camp knows that someone is in the restroom at that moment in time. Then when you leave the restroom, you take this life jacket back, you set it up in camp, and the people know that the restroom is available. So the way it works is you hand this, you take the life jacket, you come to your Groover, you experience the go in the spectacular setting that is the Salmon. And that's it. That's all there is to know about the Groover. Yes, ma'am?
Need to go.
Okay.
Hey, I was next.
So as you can see, the river always knows the way to go, but only Mackie can help you enjoy the go. So if you have any questions, make sure you call Jackie at Mackie.